Today I'm going to show you how to do online check-in for your Walt Disney World Resort hotel using your My Disney Experience app. When you first log into your app, this is the screen you will see. If you scroll down a little bit, you will come to the hotel reservation section. You'll see here we have Disney's Riviera Resort, May 10th through May 14th. If you click the Start Check-in Now button, this will take you to your personal information page. Here you want to make sure that you have a good email address and a current cell phone number that Disney can contact you at. They will email and text you when your resort room is ready, and then you don't even have to go to the front desk. If you scroll down a little bit to your resort arrival time, if you have a very early flight coming in, let's say, you could let Disney know that I'm going to be at Walt Disney World Resort area around 9:30 a.m. This will give them an idea as to when to expect you. Housekeeping service, you currently can decline service if you would like, or have service every other day with the current conditions. Then you click Next. Double check that your information is correct, email address, phone number, resort arrival time, hotel charges. You should have a card already stored in there. Same card could be used for your dining reservations. Hotel account PIN. This is a 4-digit PIN that you would have set up with your profile earlier. That is for any of the adults on the account to be able to charge things to the room with using their magic bands. You'll see your housekeeping service options here. Room requests is an important one. These are different depending on what hotel you are staying at. For the Riviera, your selections are near lobby, near elevator, or near Skyliner. We selected elevator and Skyliner. And you also can select this box at the top that says, please prioritize having my room ready early over these room requests. Make sure that your address is correct and click I agree. And that is all there is to making sure that your online check-in. And as you see, you've already received an alert that they received our check-in info. The preferences are added into their account, and all of your information will be here now on your reservation detail page. And that is all that you need to do in order to do online check-in for your Walt Disney Resort hotel stay. Have a magical day.